Oh hey, what's up? Brewer Feed here. Hey, it's halftime of the football games today, and I'm gonna go over to the grocery store and figure out what I want to do. I think I'm gonna do something like shish kebabs, like a surf and turf type shish kebab. So I'm gonna go see what the grocery store's got to help me hook this up. So let's go see what I'm working with. Brew strong and feed well.